Hello students, welcome to my channel Engineer Ash Ma'am. In this video, I am going to solve 40 multiple choice questions of building material and construction subject. Okay, so I am Ashwini Bodke working as a J in PWD Government of Maharashtra. Okay, so first question is fineness modulus of aggregate is 2.5. The aggregate is fineness modulus of a fine sand. We know that fineness modulus of fine sand is equal to 2.2 to 2.6. Fineness modulus of medium sand is 2.6 to 2.9, and fineness modulus of coarse sand is 2.9 to 3.2. Okay, so in this question, fineness modulus of aggregate is 2.5 given. That is, which is lies in between 2.2 to 2.6. That is fine sand. Therefore, answer is A. Fine sand. A. So you can see here, answer is A. Fine sand. Next, in which one of the following joints dowel bars are provided in cement concrete pavement? So you can see here, this is cement concrete pavement. Okay, and these are dowel bars. First thing, what do you mean by dowel bar? Dowel bar are nothing but the bar, okay, which are using cement concrete pavement to transfer load from this one pavement to adjacent pavement, okay. Or if it is one pavement, okay, concrete pavement, if it is second concrete pavement, adjacent concrete pavement, then these are dowel bars, okay. So dowel bars are nothing but are used to transfer load from this one pavement to adjacent pavement, and this gap is called as expansion joints. These are required to these are provided so that in during temperature variation, we know that during temperature variation, expansion and contractions occur in concrete pavement. Therefore, we provide this gap. It's called as expansion joints. Okay, so dowel bars are provided in case of expansion joints. Therefore, answer is A. Next is, which one of the following tests is conducted to evaluate the strength property of aggregates? So you can see here, crushing test. A. Crushing test is used to evaluate the strength. Strength. To evaluate the strength property of aggregate. Second one is for hardness. For hardness, abrasion test is conducted. A soundness test is conducted to test a resistance against weathering. A resistance against weathering. Okay. And angularity test for shape of aggregate. For testing, angularity test is used to check the shape of aggregate. Okay. Therefore, answer is A. Crushing test. Next one is, which one of the following piles are used for densifying loose sand? So answer is C. Compaction piles are used to densifying loose sand. Next one is, which one of the following tests is conducted to evaluate the durability property of aggregate? Answer is soundness test of aggregate. Okay, so soundness test of aggregate. Answer is C. Soundness test of aggregate is used to evaluate the durability property of aggregate. If it is sound, if the aggregate is sound, it means it is durable. If it is unsound, it means it's not durable. Okay. Next is, how many methods of ferrocementings are there? So there are 3 methods of ferrocementing: amateur system, closed molds, and integrated mold system. For medium degree of workability, what is the compaction factor? For medium degree, is 0.92. Okay. So here is chart. If the compaction factor is 0.78, then degree of workability is very low. Okay. And if it is 0.8, then low workability. And 0.92, medium workability. And if the compaction factor is 0.95, it means it's a high workable. Okay. Next is, based on source, how many types of aggregates are there? So we know that there are 3 types of aggregate. But according to what? shape. But here, what is the question? Based on source. Again, based on source, there are three types of aggregate. Answer is C, 3. So, based on source, peat sand, river sand, and sea sand. Okay. Next is based on size. Based on size, we know that fine sand, medium sand, and coarse sand. Again, there is one more category that is based on constituents. So, based on constituents, clean, silty, and clay. Okay, so according to source, there are three categories. According to size, again 3, and constituent 3. Okay, and again, answer is 3 here. C. Next is super plasticizer. Lower the needs of water by 20 to 30%. So super plasticizer, if you are super plasticizer, then it will reduce water by 20 to 30. It will reduce the need of water by 20 to 30%, not reduce water. It's reduce the need of water. Okay, it's also known as high range water reducer. Okay, answer is A. Which of the following types of cement is most frequently used for decorative projects, both inside and outside? For decoration, we use different colors. So for decorative purpose, color cement is used. So you can see our color cements photos are, I have already pasted color cements photos. You can see here. Next is, which of the following contain in a relatively higher percentage in rapid hardening cement? Okay, so answer is here C. Tricalcium silicate. If you increase the percentage of C3S, tricalcium silicate, in cement, then this cement will harden rapidly. Okay. Okay, that's why we call it as rapid hardening cement. Okay, if you increase the percent of tricalcium silicate, then what is the approximate mix proportion for M10 grade of concrete? So answer is 1:2, 3:6. 3 to the 6. 1.5 into 2 is 3, like that. So for M10, 1:2, 3:6. That is 1 part of cement, 3 parts of sand or fine aggregate, or 6 parts of coarse aggregate. Okay, cement, sand, and aggregate. Or for M15, answer is 1 S to 2 S to 4. I'll remember for M15, 1, 2, 4. Which one of the following substance is blended with bitumen for production of slow curing cutback bitumen? Okay, so here answer is high boiling point gases. Slow cutback asphalts are often called road oils and are used primarily in road mixing. First thing, what do you mean by cutback bitumens? These are type of bitumen in which viscosity of the bitumen is reduced. Viscosity of bitumen is reduced by addition of volatile diluents. If you add volatile diluent in a bitumen, this viscosity will reduce. Okay, there are three types of cutback bitumens: rapid curing, medium curing, and slow curing. If you blend this bitumen with naphtha or gasoline, then it's called as rapid curing. If you blend it with kerosene, then it's called as medium curing. And if you blend it with high boiling point gas, then it's called as slow curing. Okay. So again, it depends upon which type of volatile diluents you will blend with bitumens. Okay. So according to that diluent, there are three types: rapid, medium, and slow. Here, question is about slow curing. Therefore, if you blend high boiling points gas with bitumen, then you will get slow curing. Okay, cut back bitumen. Answer is C. For compaction of which of the following shift foot rollers are recommended? Here you can see this is a photo of shift foot roller, or you can see here. So shift foot rollers are used for cohesive soil. Answer is C. You can see here this is cohesive soil. Cohesive soil. Question number 15. The ability of material to resist indentations or surface abrasion is called, answer is hardness. Okay. So with the help of this indentator, we can test hardness of any material. So answer is C, hardness. Vibratory roller are recommended for compaction of which type of soil? So with the help of this vibratory roller, so you can see here this is a coarse soil, that is cohesionless soil. Okay, so with the help of these types of vibratory rollers, we can compact cohesionless soil, that is aggregate, etc., sand, etc. Okay, next one is 17. Which one of the following tests is conducted on bitumen to determine the safety towards handling of hot bitumen? Okay, so answer is flash and fire point test. Answer is C. So you can see here, this is a apparatus of flash and fire point of test. So you can see here the fire, okay, and bitumen place inside this apparatus, and you can test hot bitumen. Okay, determine the safety towards the handling of hot bitumen. If the aggregate in concrete passes through sieve of 75 mm and is written on the 60 mm sieve, okay, if it is sieve of size 75 mm and if it is second sieve is 60 mm, okay, if you pass aggregate, okay, if you pass aggregate, then if it is passed through this aggregate, this sieve size 75 mm but written on this 60 mm sieve size, then this aggregate will be flaky if least dimension is less than. This is a question. First, mean of these dimension mean dimension equal to 75 plus 60 divided by 2, which will be equal to 67.5. Flakiness index equal to 0.6 times of mean dimension. Mean dimension. Okay. So 0.6 into mean dimension is 67.5. Therefore, flakiness index will be 40.5. 40.5 mm. Okay. The aggregate will be flaky if its least dimension is less than 40.5 mm. If the dimension is less than 40.5 least dimension, that is if it is aggregate and aggregate of this size is, for example, 65 mm, then this aggregate will pass through this 75 mm and can retain on the 60 mm seam. Okay, because its size is 65. If you place like this, okay, if you place like this, that is 60 5 mm. Okay, 6. Then it can pass through the 75 mm and it can retain on 60 mm. Okay, but if its least dimension is less than 40.5 mm, then it's called as flaky aggregate. Okay, then just throw it away. The answer is A. Loss of water by evaporation from the surface of concrete or by the absorptions by aggregate or subgrade just after placing of concrete into form is cause of loss of water by evaporation. Okay, if water is evaporate, take water, water inside this concrete. Okay, if evaporate, then it's called as plastic shrinkage. Okay, the answer is B. Rapid hardening cement attains early strength due to, answer is A. Large proportion of lime grounded finer than in ordinary cement. If this size is finer than this lime grounded size is finer than ordinary cement, then surface area will be more. This rapid hardening cement attains early strength. Okay, hydration reaction will take place fast. The compressive strength of first class and second class brick should not be less than. We know that compressive strength of first class brick 105 kg per centimeter square, and that of second class is 70 kg per centimeter square, and for common or third class equal to 35 kg per centimeter square. Therefore, answer is C. The compressive strength for first and second class brick should not be less than 70 kg per centimeter square. Granite rock is an example of, though you will find granite rock here at aquefuge. Okay, the answer is C. So we know that there are four types: aquiclude, aquitard, aquefuge, etc. So this is called as aquefuge. Okay, or you will get granite rock here. Answer is C. Quick setting cement is, you can see quick setting cement is used for the construction of structure underwater. Okay, so answer is A. Which of the following is or are the cause of floating of brick? Floating, it means swelling of brick. Okay. There are three options. First, A is presence of excess carbonaceous matter in clay. Yeah, correct. Presence of gas forming material in the clay. If it is gas forming material in the clay, though it will again float. Bad or rapid burning. If you burn it rapidly or badly, then again brick can float. Okay, so all options are correct. So due to all these three reasons, A, B, C, answer D will be there. Okay, so our brick can float. So you can see here the dimension is increased. It should be this dimension, but here our brick is float. Okay, they are not our brick. Question number 25. In doors and windows, style is. So style is nothing but the vertical member of the shutter. So you can see this is lock style and this one is a hinge style. If you this vertical member of shutter at lock side is called as lock style, and on hinge side is called as hinge style. Simple. It's a vertical member. Answer is B. Next is longitudinal cracks observed in timber beams are due to. So you can see here, these are timbers, 1, 2, 3 timbers are here. Or you can see these are the longitudinal cracks. Okay, these are due to shear failure between layers. If it is one layer of wood, or if it is second layer of wood, then if it will shear, then longitudinal cracks can occur. It will occur. The purpose of the soundness test is, answer is A, to determine the presence of free lime of cement. And check whether free lime is present or not in cement with the help of soundness test. The answer is A. Bifurcated stair is commonly used. The bifurcated stair, you can see the bifurcated stair is commonly used. Option A is entrance of the public building. Option B is as an emergency stair at the back of building. No, not this is the wrong answer. In small residential building, no. So answer will be A. In at the entrance of public building. Okay. A. You can see here. This is one direction. Then this stair is bifurcated in two directions. Okay. Answer is A. In ordinary residential buildings, the DPC may be provided. Damp proof course. This may be provided at plinth level. So you can see at the plinth level, DPC is provided near about 100 mm, that is 10 centimeter of thickness. The most effective method for compacting sand is by using vibration. So with the help of vibration, we can compact sand effectively. Okay. Galvanizing means it's depositing a fine film of zinc, iron, or steel by dipping it in molten zinc. If you dip this film or fine film of zinc or iron into the molten zinc, then it's called as galvanizing. Okay, answer is A. Pointing, not that pointing. I'll point on you. Okay, not that pointing. Here, pointing, it means answer is A. The masonry joints fill up with mortar. Okay, so you can see, you can masonry joints fill up with mortar after taking out for small depth is called as pointing. Okay. Which of the following are the reasons for the popularity of bricks as a construction material? We know that bricks are more popular in case of construction material because they are very cheap and available locally at all places. First is correct, because they are cheap. They are durable and possesses fairly good strength and lighter than stones. Correct. They are lighter than stones. Third one is, it means first is correct, second is correct. Let's see about C. Let's see about option C. They have good insulating property against heat and sound. Correct. The answer is D. Okay, all three options are correct here. So go with D. The main purpose of frog in brick is, so you can see here, this is a frog of brick. Okay, this side is header side, stretcher sides. Or use of this frog is to make a key joint between mortar and a brick. Answer C. Okay, so that it will fix properly if you place a mortar on this brick. Okay, so answer is C. The reduction in which of the following bogus compound will help in production of low heat cement? Okay, so answer is C, tricalcium silicate. Tricalcium silicate, C3S. If we lower the percentage of C3S, then low heat cement, low heat cement will produce. Okay. Next is the presence of excess quantity of silica in bricks impairs. Salim formula is Salim. So, limo, that is silica, alumina, lime, iron oxide, magnesia present in bricks. Okay. Then, if you excess the quantity of this silica, okay, in bricks, then what will happen? Brick become brittle. Okay, the brittleness on burning. Okay, answer is D. Which one of the following tests becomes necessary before carrying out setting time test on cement? So consistency test. Okay, answer is D. Next one, question number 39, second last question. Which one of the following is no fines concrete? Okay, so fiber reinforced concrete, correct. First A is correct. Nominal lightweight, nominal light heavyweight, not. It is made without fine aggregate. No fines, no fines. Only coarse are there. No fines. It made without fine aggregate using cement, coarse aggregate, and water. This creates force of 30 to 40% to allow the water infiltration. Okay, so answer is A. And here is the last question. The portion of rake which is so cut that the width of one, its end is half. So you can see if it is brick, then just cut half of width of the full brick, and its end is half that of the full brick. Okay. While the width at the other end is equal to the full width. Other end, full width, and this end is half width. It's called as king close. Okay, answer is A. Okay, then thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. Okay, so bye bye.